You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, daytime running lights, rear step bumper, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.